All right, guys, welcome. Got WWETT 2020 here in Indianapolis. Welcome to the RIDGID booth, showing off our new K9-306. So we're real excited. Last year we introduced the K9-102, the K9-204. A lot of requests for getting out to 100 feet. That was the big need that we needed to get last year, and we got it this year. So we're really excited to hear what the customers were asking for and bringing that to the market. So purpose-built FlexShaft drain cleaners, doing scale, grease, roots, any other soft blockages. So starting with the 102, you got 50 feet of 1/4-inch cable for 1 1/4 to 2-inch lines. The 204 with 5/16 cable for 2 to 4-inch lines. And now the 306 with 3/8 cable for 3 to 6-inch lines with 125 feet. So really getting that clean out to clean out, some extra cable in there to make sure you're going to get that full range, not have to go from both sides. Got the same kind of deal going with fully enclosed system, so keeping it nice clean for the environment. Having the cable spinning inside of the sheath so you can run your camera simultaneous, just like we have set up here with the 102. Go ahead, Tim, send it. So this really helps you really see what you're cleaning, not have to go in with a camera, come out, snake the line, go back with the camera, being able to do all that simultaneously, so you're that much more efficient, getting one more job done, and making more money, and getting home earlier. So Ken's going to run this for us. He's going to show how you can actually navigate with the forward and reverse switch we have right on the front of the machine. So in forward, when it's spinning clockwise, drive right up a Y, so if you're behind it with the camera and can see that, you can navigate. And then in reverse, it'll be spinning counterclockwise, so that'll help you drive into the Y. So you really can navigate with both your camera if it's tethered together, or just with the FlexShaft by itself. So going up to the 125 feet added some weight, so we had to get a cart to kind of support it. So you've got different ways to maneuver the whole system here. 2 wheels, kind of dolly style, or on all 4. So you kind of have a versatile frame, give you some different options. Got handles at the front, some touch points for loading it into the car, into the van, the truck, and a telescoping handle for a smaller profile. So this allows you to really shrink the profile for storage or for operation. So you can get the handle down, get it into tighter environments, and be able to pull the cable to the drain. So Ken, take us away. Let's clear the next one. So what we are cleaning, we've got kind of a simulated kind of grease blockage. So feel free to pass that around, take a feel. It's pretty aggressive. So that's what we wanted to show you, the capacity of the machine. And then after, getting the wall-to-wall clean. So with the benefits of the chain knockers expanding when the 2,000 RPM motor's going here, these clean wall-to-wall. So we're able to go through an 1.5 inch clean out and start cleaning 6-inch walls with the same drain cleaner without switching parts. So that's what really gives you a lot more quicker advantage, being able to get in, get out, and start cleaning. So let's do that. Show us what this thing can do.
Hi, my name's Ken. What we're going to do right now is going to go in here. You want to make sure when you're using this technology, you got running water, and you want to go past the blockage. This is not a drain machine, so you don't start running it and start pushing it in. You use it like a camera. Like Jeff just talked about, we are able to use a camera with this. So I'm a master plumber that went drain cleaner because there's more money in it. So after I did that, using this and this type of technology, it does turn you into a type of a sewer surgeon. You can see what you're doing and you can navigate different turns. You can go through a 3-inch P-track with this. But the nice thing is, when you're coming up to a direction like this and you want to go the other way, all you do is you turn it into reverse. If I run it normal, I'm going to go up that way. So that goes straight up the line. Now I want to go the other way. I'm going to turn it into reverse. Just give it a pop. If my camera is taped to this, now I have a directional camera. So when you come to the blockage, you just keep pushing. What's that? Put it back into forward. You can run this both ways, but forward is a little more. What would you say?
Cable can take a lot more torque in the forward. It works in both directions, but you give up a little bit of performance in reverse. So the primary is run it in forward, and you can use reverse as needed kind of thing.
Now, did you see what I just did there? I just bumped it. We call that bumping it. I wanted to get through the blockage. I did not want to start running it here because I'm just pushing that debris right on top of everything that I just wanted to clean. I bumped it to get through the flow channel. Now I'm on the opposite side. I'm going to start running it, pulling it back in, letting the machine and the chain knockers do the work.
Ken, before you go, we also got the new penetrating heads on here. So the carbide grit, really going to attack those tough blockages and get through the roots and really bust open those heavier blockages. So this is the new that we have for all machines coming to the show this year. So we've got new penetrating heads for the 102, 204, and available for order on the 306.
You kind of do a push-pull. Seconds? Did we do it? That is a blockage right there to go through. I won't want to go through with anything else. This motor in here is totally amazing. You can mill, you can run with this, you can plug it into any outlet. You don't have to have a generator to do it. It's 15 volts. So this thing makes you feel like you're cheating. When you can go into an 1.5 inch clean out and do that to a 6-inch line, man, come on. Mark?